Hey guys, so I'm back in Monaco, seeing my boyfriend. I've currently got the day off, but he hasn't, he's working. So I'm thinking of just having a little afternoon in Monaco, and I'm thinking of bringing you along with me. So yeah, stay tuned. So hey guys, it's Becky and welcome to my channel. I do lots of different types of content. I do a lot of plus size fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. If that sounds like your cup of tea, then don't forget to subscribe. But today is slightly different. I did do a lot of travel vlogs a few years ago when my boyfriend was in Luxembourg. But I haven't done many since. Mainly because if you don't know, we are in a long distance relationship. So when we do see each other, I do tend to like to just be in the moment with him and just enjoy each other's company because like we don't see each other all the time. But today I am by myself because I'm on annual leave and he isn't. So I'm going to head into Monaco. So this is by all means not a travel guide to Monaco. I'm probably not going to be hitting up a lot of the tourist destinations. I can speak to them, but I'm probably not going to be going there myself today. This is just a very casual little follow me around. I'm probably going to go to Sephora, have a look around the shops, show you some of the sites, but this isn't going to be a kind of guide to Monaco. I might do one eventually because I'm probably going to be visiting here quite a lot, but I feel like there's lots of places I still need to explore, lots of restaurants I need to try out. So this is just going to be a little casual afternoon spent with me in Monaco, where I'll show you some of the sights, some of the beautiful parks, and the casino. But yeah, this isn't like the whole of Monaco, so there might even be another video in the future where I show you the rest, because although Monaco's small, there's a lot to see. So yeah, off we go. So guys, I'm just in a park. I don't know the name of the park, I'll put it on the screen. But it's a very nice park. I always say Monaco has a lot of traffic. I think it's quite polluted. But when you're in the park, it's very nice and quite quiet. You can hear the birds. So I'm just going to Sephora now, to this like slightly strange, kind of like, it's not underground, but like indoor shopping centre, but it's like a bougie shopping centre. It reminds me a bit of like inside Harrods, but yeah, that's where Sephora is. So just did some damage. Yeah, so I'm now back in that little park. There was a seat in the shade, but then someone got to it before I did. Yeah, so it's very warm. I think it's about 26 degrees today, and as you can imagine, I don't do the greatest in the heat. But I'm going to go take you to the casino square now. I will recommend, if you ever come to Monaco for like a day on a cruise ship or whatever, do spend that 20 euros on a cocktail in Café de Paris. It's very expensive, but it's such a great people watching place, and obviously you can take your time and the service is great. It's 20 euros for like a pina colada, but it's the best pina colada you'll ever have as well. Everything's made really nicely. So yeah, I'm going to go take you over there. And then I think this is going to be quite a short vlog if I'm honest. I'll show you what I got at Sephora when I get home. This is going to be a small haul because I bought perfume, and that's where the money added up, and this little bag was 180 euros. But mum wanted some bits too. And then I'm going to go to my favourite little supermarket called You, where they do these 8 euro strawberries, but they're the best strawberries you'll ever have in your life. So that's the plan. So guys, just got totally sidetracked. I actually bumped into a friend and we ended up going to Café de Paris, having some lovely cocktails. So a little bit later in the afternoon, but I'm now going to show you all the supercars that park outside the casino. So guys, I've just got back home. The day went a little bit askew, didn't it? So time went away with me when I saw my lovely friend, and we of course had to go get cocktails. It was meant to be. I'll take my glasses off because of the glare. Oh dear me. So it's incredibly hot. It was 28 degrees today. For me, that is hot. I know some of you guys will be like, oh, that's just normal. Yeah, coming from grey, miserable England, it's been a bit of a smack in the face, the heat here. Yeah, so I was going to go to the supermarket to show you the 8 euro straws, but my bus... My bus was ready. Otherwise I had to wait a whole hour. The bus is here. Because JP lives up really far up basically the mountain. I couldn't walk it no way. But they have these they're buses, but they look like a people carrier, they look like a little van because it's such a curvy road. So they're not very frequent because they only serve quite small districts. So yeah, and I was tired, I was hot, and also guys, I've had to edit a video because we're actually off to Milan for a couple of days. I'm so excited. I've never been. I won't be filming it, I don't think, just because, you know, it's our time together. But I will let you know what it was like. So yeah, I'm sorry it's been quite a short video, but I've managed to show you some of the sites. I will probably do another one of these videos again when I come back in a few months' time, but let me show you what I got. First up, I got this Monte Carlo cocktail stirrer out of my drink, because I like to keep them for my little drinks trolley. Then, now, this was the big bougie purchase. I did get a perfume. I got the Juliet Has a Gun Magnolia Bliss. This is one of my favourite perfume brands. Guys, I am planning on doing my perfume. So I've got a bit of crisp stuck in my throat. I am planning on doing a perfume video for you guys. But yeah, I love this brand. You will see, I think I've got 4 of their perfumes now. This is their latest one. It says, Magnolia Bliss is a refreshing and peaceful floral composition twisted with a delicious note of Marabelle plum. The flower power spirit embodied in a fragrance. A bit like one of my favourite Angel Nova. I know I keep going on about it. It's my favourite summer scent, basically. But this, again, is quite a sweet floral, fruity, delicious, yummy, very summery. So I've wanted it for a while, and I just was like, you know what, treat myself. Next up was more of kind of like I just kind of needed it. I got a Sephora brightening eye cream with hyaluronic acid. Basically, you've seen that I've bought quite a lot of eye creams. And then when I was packing all my stuff yesterday, I was like, oh no, I think there's loads of eye cream left in my current one. Turns out there wasn't, and turns out I squirted it all out this morning and it's now gone, and I didn't bring it back up. So I now have another eye cream, but it was relatively affordable. I'm trying to get into using way more eye cream anyway, so it's probably not a bad thing. Then I did get, this is new. Well, it's old but new. It's redone. It's the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. It used to come in a tube, but oh my gosh. Oh, it's on the floor. One sec. Christ. Oh my God. Okay. Used to come, oh my gosh, I haven't got a tripod here. It used to come in like a tube, but now it's, oh my God, I can't, guys, I'm having troubles. It comes with a doe foot, like a lip gloss. Then I also got another treat myself moment. I got another Gucci lip in the most gorgeous colour. It's called Emmy Petal, and these are the Glow and Clear lip colours, so they're quite a sheer balm. Sorry guys, that camera angles are not good, I know, I'm so sorry. But I got it in this like popsicle, it's orange. It's not showing the greatest right now, but it's a beautiful, beautiful colour. And I was just feeling super summery. I was gonna get another nude, like a pinky nude, but I was just like, for God's sake, Bex, not another nude. So, and then finally something for Mama Wend. These are her absolute favourites. I think she's gone through maybe, I think these will be like her 9th and 10th of this product. They are the Sephora Lip Stories Balm in Are You Jealous, number 9. Again, she likes quite a moisturising lipstick. These are balms, but this is like a tinted berry colour, so it comes off looking very lovely. That is the end of this very short but sweet little vlog around Monaco. I am absolutely sweating my bollocks off. I'm just gonna say sweating my bollocks off. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Next time I'll try and get a little bit more footage than I did today, but I had a nice afternoon and had some good cocktails with a good friend. So if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you would like to see next time I do a little Monaco trip. If you've got any requests, let me know, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.